Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from Files.com, and they're now hiring a customer success engineer for Files.com and an enterprise secure cloud storage and automation service. There's a work from home remote first team at a hybrid remote company. This job pays up to $100,000 per year or close to $8,500 per month. World-class pay and benefits. Starting salary for customer success engineer at Files.com is $100,000 per year. We offer raises and equity as you grow in the organization. In-house training. We will teach you everything you need to know to be an effective customer success engineer, and you'll earn your full rate of pay for all training time. So this includes paid training. Amazing team and peer support. Our customer success team is one of the most tight-knit groups at the company. Everyone enjoys working together on Zoom every day. Big company benefits. You get full health, dental, vision insurance coverage plus 75% of spouse/family coverage too. 401k with generous matching, 11 company holidays per year, and 20 paid time off and vacation days. A brand new laptop and $1,000. So upon signing, we'll send you a brand new Apple laptop as well as $1,000 to outfit the rest of your home office with things like monitor, webcam, keyboard, and mouse. This job is 100% remote. The Files.com customer success team is 100% remote. However, we travel for regular in-person meetings with the team and the entire company to meet and work together face-to-face. These meetings are in cities around the U.S., including Scottsdale, Austin, Orlando, New Orleans, San Diego, Las Vegas, and New York City. In-person events combine work and fun and are designed to make up for the in-person interaction that occurs in an office job. We are very excited that COVID-19 restrictions have been lifted and we have fully resumed company travel. About Files.com. Files.com is an enterprise secure file transfer and automation app with over 1,600 paying business customers, including Target, Canacol, UPS, Leica, DirecTV, GoPro, Marriott, and more. Files.com was bootstrapped by our founder and has been profitable since its founding in 2010. We recently raised $46.5 million of growth equity from Silicon Valley based Riverwood Capital to accelerate our growth. In this role, you will be responding to customer-initiated interactions such as phone calls and emails, one-to-one communication. You work with our customers to get a full technical resolution of any issues they have. Conduct training events and webinars for customers, one-to-many communication. Developing content to help our customers succeed. This is things like training videos, written documentation, content, sample code, blog posts, and email announcements. Onboarding and training new customers. Ready to level up your career? We would like you to write a cover letter telling us why this is an opportunity that speaks to you. Please specifically cover the following things in your letter. Provide links of any technical content that you have created, such as blog posts, example code, documentation, or videos. What personal traits make you a good candidate for this position? Give examples of organizations that do customer success well. There you'll be able to put the cover letter, your personal information, including your resume, any portfolio or website links, and your location, and be able to submit your application. There's more information about the company, and it will give you some of the employee benefits at a glance. We want you and your family to live longer, healthier, and happier lives, providing our employees with top-tier benefits leads to improved productivity, long-term retention, and better decision making. So that's what we do. High starting salaries. As a successful, profitable business that believes in our over-investing in our team, we choose to offer industry-leading base salaries for all positions. Performance-based raises. We award our high performers for one simple reason: they've earned it. Equity option grants. As a private equity-backed business, we expect to have major exit events within the next 5 years. We have set aside a substantial pool of equity options to grant our employees so they're able to share in the value created. 401k with generous employer match. Most employer-sponsored 401k plans crush you with the fees. Our plans feature extremely low fee ETFs, ensuring that you actually keep the money that you save for retirement. Plus, we will match your contributions up to 4% of your salary to encourage you to invest in your retirement. Starting bonus. New hires receive $1,000 starting bonus, no strings attached. Company issue MacBook Pro. You will receive a fully loaded MacBook Pro, reduced time wasted setting up individual rigs. Legal assistance. Option to participate in an employee paid legal plan to gain access to a network of attorneys who assist with basic legal needs, including wills, trusts, contracts, tickets, and documents. Employee Assistant Program. We provide confidential and no-cost avenue for you to receive 24/7 assistance with issues regarding behavioral and emotional health, family, legal, financial, wellness, or other personal matters. You will have access to a certified clinician who can help you one-on-one or refer you to someone in your area for long-term help. And there are some of the things that people say about the company. If you feel like this position is the perfect one for you, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, it's okay. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel until you can find the best remote work from home job just for you. In order to keep up, all you have to do is subscribe, hit the like button, and also when you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you will get notified as soon as we have a brand new video, so you'll be one of the first to find the best remote work from home job that fits you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.